Hello, my name is Patrick Denert, and today I'll be talking about important aspects about HIV, also known as human immunodeficiency virus. One important aspect is that many medical professionals are starting to consider allowing HIV positive people to donate organs in order to save more lives. In class, we learned that blood can transmit HIV between people. And due to this, there's a lot of stigma against people with HIV being able to do blood donations and organ transfers. However, in recent years, there's been a lot of research and a few successful organ transplants between two people who are HIV positive. The first successful organ transplant in the United States was a kidney transplant, which happened on March 25th, 2019 in Johns Hopkins. The person who was donating a kidney, Nina Martinez, was cleared for the transplant since she had a low viral load and functioning kidneys. According to the American Journal of Transplant, those with well-controlled HIV who don't have a history of diabetes, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or protein in their urine could be healthy enough to donate. This transplant is very important as it shows that HIV organ transfers are possible as long as HIV treatment is continued afterwards. These transplants are necessary as over 100,000 people are waiting to receive organ transplants and have to wait a long time in order to receive one. Many people die every day due to there not being enough organ donors. With HIV transplants, many more people can be saved. This could be beneficial for those without HIV as their lives could be saved and prolonged with an organ donor that has HIV, since HIV can be controlled to an extent with medication and other treatments, and HIV also takes many years to develop into AIDS. Therefore, more people with HIV should be allowed to donate organs in order to help out the 100,000 people waiting on organ transplants. Hopefully, with the success of the HIV to HIV organ transplant, one day the stigma against people with HIV donating organs and blood will vanish and many more people's lives can be saved. Another important aspect of HIV is all of the new research being done by countless companies. One such company is VIIV, which specializes in research in HIV and AIDS. Currently, HIV is hard to cure due to HIV's ability to hide in cells and create a HIV reservoir. VIIV is currently working on a method they call induce and reduce. They induce cells that are hiding HIV into creating viral proteins and then reduce those cells by having them get attacked for death by the immune system. This is being done through the use of IAPs or inhibitors of apoptosis. This research is very important for the future as its success could possibly save millions of lives. Currently, medicine and research has grown tremendously since the start of the epidemic by being able to reduce the viral load of people to the point where they have a low chance of spreading HIV to others and increasing the lifespans of those infected with HIV and AIDS. However, only 3 people have since been documented as having been cured of HIV. This new research could lead us towards a cure for HIV by eliminating the HIV reservoirs, which are a major reason as to why HIV is incurable. Hopefully, for the sake of the future, more funding and research is done in this area in order to one day create a cure for cancer and save millions of lives.